everyone, I hope you all will be fine, safe and healthy at your home. So let us start our today's session. In our today's session we will study about the salt number 1, and the salt which we are going to start the study today, that is its common name, it is to be of washing soda. Okay, so now its chemical name, this is to be of sodium carbonate, deca means 10, hydrate means water molecule. Okay, so the formula, it is to be written as Na2CO3 dot 10 moles of water. So this was the general introduction which I have given about you the washing soda. Okay, so let us start the study of how it is to be prepared. So that will come in the column of preparation. So it is to be prepared from the brine solution. So first of all we have to understand what is brine. Okay, so brine, it is what? This is the aqueous solution of or simply you can say saturated solution. We have to prepare this saturated solution of NaCl. This is of sodium chloride. This is NaCl. Okay, so here you have to write NaCl plus water. So now it becomes brine. Now we have to pass ammonia gas inside it. So now it becomes ammonical brine. Okay, this is ammonical brine. Now after that we have to pass CO2 gas inside it in the solution of ammonical brine. Now what will happen? It will form first sodium hydrogen carbonate as well as ammonium chloride comes out. Okay, and this sodium hydrogen carbonate, its 2 moles are to be heated. Now it forms Na2CO3, CO2 as well as water comes out, and this we have to call it, this is soda ash, this is sodium carbonate in a dry form. Now after that we have to put some amount of water like Na2CO3. You have to add 10 moles of water. Now it becomes Na2CO3 dot 10 moles of water. This is washing soda now, and its chemical name, everybody knows that this is sodium carbonate decahydrate. Okay, so this was the complete preparation of washing soda. So let us talk about some properties. So in properties, simply we must know that this is in a powdered form, and washing soda, this is to be used for the cleaning purpose, this is for the use. Okay, now property that you have to know, that this is in the powdered form. Okay, this is the first one. And as we talk about the chemical property, so the first property that we have to know, this is of efflorescence. Efflorescence, what will happen when it is exposed in air? It lost 9 molecules of water. Okay, that you have to know. So out of 10 it releases 9 molecule of water, and only the 1 molecule that will remain with it. So how that will be written in a chemical reaction? Na2CO3 dot 10 moles of water exposed to air. Here I am writing. Okay, now 1 mole of water that remain with it, Na2CO3 dot H2O, plus 9 moles of water that comes out. Okay, so here you have to say this is sodium carbonate monohydrate. Mono means single. Okay, so this is of monohydrate. Now the another chemical property that you have to know, that this is of on heating. What will happen when you will heat the washing soda directly? Then it loses its complete 10 moles of water. Okay, it converts into a dry form on heating. Here I am writing, or otherwise you can make a symbol for the heating also. Now what will happen? Na2CO3 plus complete 10 moles of water comes out, and again the soda ash will form. Okay, so this was the chemical nature of washing soda that you have to study in the 10th standard. I hope you all have got it, what is the nature of washing soda and how it is to be prepared. That's all for today's session.